Subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press on the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing the Follow Me body wash. So this is a product I did not buy for reviewing purpose. Instead it was summer and I had some tan lines over my body, mostly on my shoulders. But the performance of the product kinda made me do this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the product is a body wash by the brand Follow Me. You have different variation, but I chose the whitening and moisturizing one. It is a big bottle, 1000 ml, and it was really cheap, around 150 INO. So Avon's shower gel of 750 ml costs 4 times more. So this was a big point, because if you're looking for a shower gel at a price that's affordable and with that much quantity, this one will do. So on the bottle it is written with goat's milk, licorice extract and cherry blossom. Let me tell you, this product smells amazing. It has a pump attached with it, which makes it easy to use and you do not waste any product. At the back of the product it is written, developed with goat's milk, licorice extract and cherry blossom. This unique formulated body wash leaves your skin feeling moisturized and firm with whitening effect after every wash. Skin feels pampered and rejuvenated for the day. In terms of ingredients, we have sodium lauryl sulfate, jojoba seed oil, and etc. It is licensed by Earth Chemical Co. Limited and it is made in Malaysia. The product really leaves your skin fresh and moisturized. The first few times you might not notice any difference in your skin color, but after a week or two, in my case, my tan lines disappeared and even my skin tone became a little fairer. I never felt any irritation. It was neither too harsh or drying on my skin. This is one of the few products that I wish people try and adopt it, because it is a really good product. It does what it claims and it does not cost a lot. Also, this is not sponsored. So it's pretty obvious that this product is a yes for me. Please go ahead and buy it. It will keep you moisturized and even lighten your body skin color after a certain amount of use. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If yes, then thumbs up the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to press on the notification bell. Till next, take care.